This is my little JB Weld repair of the holes in my lawnmower body. I fixed both sides and sharpened the blade. I didn't smooth it out or anything or try to hide the fact that I repaired it. I want to use it to get all these leaves up. Leaves just keep coming. And they're still falling. Whoa. But you know, the ghetto has become pretty posh these days with all the gentrifications and all. So, even though I didn't hide the repairs, I still had to paint it because the neighborhood has become so posh.